In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Shopify store ownership. Transferring ownership is something you'll typically do when you sell your store. Hand it over to a business partner or move it to a different owner outside your current organization. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store. From your browser, open your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage products, orders, and settings. It's important that you're in the right store, especially if you manage more than one, because the transfer will only apply to the store you're currently viewing. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the navigation menu, usually on the left side of the screen. At the bottom of that menu, you'll see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new page with all of the configuration options for your store. On the settings page, stay on the general or main settings section and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Take your time here, because this section can be fairly long. Near the bottom, you'll find an area labeled something like Organizations and Store Transfers. Inside that section, there will be a button or link called Manage. Click on Manage to open the store transfer options. On the next screen, Shopify will show you different transfer choices. Look for the option that says Transfer Store to a new owner outside your business. This is the one you need if you're handing the store over to someone who is not currently part of your organization. Click on that option to continue. Shopify may show you a confirmation or information page explaining what the transfer does. Read this carefully so you understand that the new owner will gain control over billing and settings. When you're ready, click on the Continue button. Now you'll be asked to enter the new owner's email address. Type in the email they want to use for the store. Double check that there are no typos, because this is where Shopify will send the transfer invitation. Once the email address is correct, click on the transfer button. Shopify will send an email to the new owner with instructions to accept the transfer. After they accept it, they'll become the new store owner, and your ownership role will